Welcome to the Daily Dose. Let's dig into it. So today we're going to talk about the war in the search for talent, right? How do you find good talent? Everybody's saying nowadays, man, I can't find good talent. There's nobody out there that wants to work this, that, or the other. That's complete horseshit. There's a lot of talent out there that's just waiting to be plucked from all over the place. You got to look for it. That's the key, right? And what does that come back to? Good job description and also a good hiring process, right? People aren't looking for the same stuff they used to be looking for when it comes to employees nowadays, right? Employees don't necessarily, this younger generation doesn't necessarily care about a lot of things that my generation cared about. And man, we can use, that's a beautiful thing actually, because now we have the ability to grab talent in a whole different way, right? They just want to work differently and we have to adapt to that. So, is there a war in the search for talent? No, there's plenty of people out there that want to work, that are very talented. They have a seat on your bus. You just have to go through the process of vetting them correctly to make sure they fit in your team, right? There's lots of good resources out there that you can use to really vet talent. There's different programs. I mean, all you got to do is search it. There's a bunch of different programs out there that can help you through that process to put the right seats on the bus. There is and there isn't a war on the search for talent. We all want to keep the top talent, and a lot of that starts with good leadership at the end of the day. If you provide that good leadership, you'll keep that top talent, right? Your leadership sucks, they're going to go somewhere else. Your culture sucks, they're going to go somewhere else. So it's not just about the war in the search for good talent. It's the war in the search and keeping the good talent. The keeping part, that shit's on you. All right. I hope this was helpful today on the Daily Dose. Go ahead and smash that like button as always. And you can reach out to me at www.strategicadvisorboard.com. Remember, you can always go dream it, believe it, and achieve it. Be a good leader. The search for talent isn't that difficult. We'll see you on tomorrow's episode.